That train was so effed up. That train was so bad that it. So on the 22nd of March 2016, it was the reintroduction of the Botswana Railway passenger train, and I was more than honored to be one of the few people that got to have the first train ride. We were basically selected from our social media and what we do on social media and the influence we have. Title is social media what? Influencer. Why brilliant? Brilliant So I am with Makumalo, and I just approached her so that she can talk about her experience about the opening of the railway line. We just found out that the train is like 10 minutes away, and we've been waiting since 1 o'clock, so we're so excited that it's here. So what do you think about the whole initiative, and what is your experience?
My experience is launch this passenger train. It was so exciting, and I President Tarona. The event was so successful and so nice. So so kana re bile malatsi a paseka bana go le misuke mo boditsile mo ya ke itumetse thata go at least tla go tsa misuke
mathata le gone. Thank you Makumalo, ke lebogile. There's been so many stories, some true, some not true, about this whole train. So I'm coming to you as one of the people who's actually bought the train and coming to tell you my perspective about it, my experience. And mind you, this is really great because I am not part of any organization. I haven't been paid to do it, and I'm going to give you my honest reviews, my honest experiences. I was called as Belsiabo. Like, unlike traditional media, they answer to somebody. I don't answer to anybody to be doing this, so I am going to be giving my very honest opinions. So grab your tea and let's get down to it. And we're about to get moving. That is, and the people who had ridden it from Lobate to Gaborone, which is where we're at, the capital city, have now finally arrived, and we can get on board from Gaborone. So that is. It's pretty dope. Super, super duper dope. So there we go. The train from above. And everybody that's waiting to see it. So we're getting out of the train now. Hold on, guys. It's quite dangerous. Woo. So yay! This is quite fascinating. That's the public out to see us. Security, of course. So yeah, we're getting off. Hi. Morning, so we're on the move. We're on the train. We're on our way to Francistown.
Are you sure?
Owen keeps thinking that the train is going backwards, so we're going back to Gaborone. But that's not the case.
Alright.
Say hi.
Hi guys, hi. I'm just so confused, like, I don't know.
He's so confused this morning. I don't think he had sufficient rest.
Nope,
So yeah.
I was up all night.
Botswana is full of bushes, yeah? Very beautiful. Sub-Saharan Africa, Botswana. Loads of shrubs. Breakfast, we're having cupcakes, fruits as a starter. And then, yeah, we're getting breakfast. Pretty dope. Breakfast. So hey guys, I'm about to give you a tour of the train, the other side. We've been in the business class, so this is what you guys have seen. But right now, I'm gonna show you guys. Is this where there's going to be first class? This side. Alright, let's see the part where there's going to be first class. It's not been built yet.
It's like a baggage.
Is it the baggage side? I don't know, but it's another side. It's another side. So I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. Pretty dope, pretty dope. I don't know if it's the luggage side or they're gonna build something. I don't know. It looks like the luggage side. It's empty, so it looks like luggage is meant to be here. Yes. That's the kitchen. Okay. We're coming down this side. We haven't been this side, so what is this side? Looks like the kitchen. Very nice. Very clean. And then this is like a little lounge. I don't know what happens here, but it looks dope. This way also. And then, yeah. I don't know what that is. What is this? Kind of cool. Kind of cool.
That's Anton here.
And then you have a conference room with a TV right there. Yeah.
I would say that was it.
I'll be your mother.
I'm be your mother, baby. I'm be your mother. I want to be your mother, okay?
But I'll be your mother.
I'm be your mother. While the rest are ole. Good night.
That is beautiful.
So yeah, it is it doesn't come as a surprise to anybody when I come to say that there's been a lot of stories in the media about this passenger train, some negative, some positive. However, my personal experience being an ordinary Botswana person who was given an opportunity to board this train is that it was an amazing experience. It was a great experience. And everybody was excited, and I was excited. I was ecstatic. I've been in many trains in my life, but I was just ecstatic. I've never been in a train in my country, so I was just happy, and it was such an honor, and it was just nice. It was a great energy. It was a great vibe to see so many people happy about this certain thing. Yeah, it was a great experience. We were fed with a lot of food, like food anywhere food is, and I'm there like, if you give me food, we're just the best of friends. So there was a lot of food. We were well taken care of. The train was clean. There were people on board who were making sure that the train is clean. All the litter is cleared up. Yeah, and it was like, as we were riding the train, there was just people in different areas. Every single area that the train passed, there were people outside taking pictures and people ululating and just being extremely happy. And it just surprises me that all of a sudden now everybody just has a lot of these things to say about it on social media. I personally think the introduction of the train is a great thing. As an entrepreneur, I think it is just amazing because it just makes traveling much easier. There's a lot of comfort, because I saw I went into one of the kitchens and it was just well sanitized. very clean, and I was like, this is amazing. And there was a boardroom somewhere, and I was just like, this is amazing for business people who want to have meetings. It was very spacious. It was very spacious. Hey, like, I just felt I had a lot of space in front of me. It was just extremely, I don't know, let me not exaggerate the spaciousness, but the spaciousness is good, okay? It was good enough. Yeah, I'm guessing people want me to add my own 2 cents regarding the train not moving. It was scheduled to leave at 9 and it didn't leave at 9. It left a couple of hours later. And yeah, regarding that situation, I don't know why the train didn't move. I didn't know why it didn't leave. But all I can say about that situation is that at least the train didn't start, but they managed to fix the train, and the train ended up starting and it managed to move the passengers. Because it would have been another thing if the train didn't start and it did not want to start and it stayed there and it didn't work. But the fact of the matter is they managed to spot what the problem was, they fixed it and kept it moving. An amazing experience. You can see from my videos, it was just beautiful. Everybody was happy. We need to embrace this and be happy about it. And yeah, life will be very different from here on. Well, traveling life. So we're thankful. So that is the truth, guys. That is the truth. That is the truth. The train was amazing. It was great. I'm very honest. Like, it was bad, I would have come here and said, yo, that train was so effed up. That train was so bad. But it wasn't. Like, I was more than impressed. And if I'm impressed, because I'm so picky, if I'm impressed, then you better be impressed. Forget all the negatives and whatever has been said about it, and just buy a ticket. Have your own experience. And then when you do have your own experience, now get on social media and then you can write critiques that have substance to them. You know, you whatever ideas you have about the train, whatever thoughts you have, you can only validate them or you can only confirm them once you buy that ticket and get on that train and gain your own experience. And then you can judge. So yeah, guys, you just like and board the train and take a ride to Francistown, and then you can make a judgment about the train experience and the train, and you can see for yourself firsthand, is the train new? Is the train experience great? Is it clean? Is it all those things that you expected it to be? And then from then on, you can make it will be great. I think you should get your ticket and travel to wherever you want to travel to, and you'll come back to me and tell me your experience is great. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please feel free to leave your comments down below. I know a lot of you are going to leave your comments, so feel free. I will definitely try to make time to respond to everybody's comments. So yeah, see you next time. Be sure to check out my other videos, and please do subscribe, like, and share.